Welcome to virtual class of Physical Education Class 11. Lesson 6, Physical Activities and Leadership Training. Introduction. All students should be given opportunities to lead. Experiencing opportunities to be a leader can improve a student's self-esteem, self-confidence, and self-preparation. Opportunities for leading may increase students to increase their participation or to extend their participation into other sports or recreational opportunities. Physical education can incorporate leadership skill in students. Leadership quality and role of leader. Leadership quality of a leader. Everybody want to become a leader these days. He want to people should listening to him. Thus he inculcates in himself thus qualities which are essential to become a good leader. People identify and respect him for these qualities only. The essential qualities of a good leader and their development through games and is as following. Personality of a leader. The inner or outer personality of a good leader should be impressive. Inner personality includes the qualities of self-confidence, knowledge, experience, impartial behavior, reasoning, etc. Outer personality means that he should wear neat and clean clothes and should behave loving with everybody. The captain of the team and other players in games play with each other and develop themselves. They move towards their aim jointly. They gain new experience and also learn culture while playing. Intellectual. Number two, intelligent and knowledgeable. A good leader should be intelligent and knowledgeable also. He should have confidence in his knowledge and intelligence. A good player is always intelligent and knowledgeable. He has to take many discussion while playing which depend on his knowledge about the game. Third, punctual. A good leader should be punctual. He should respect the value of time. He should proper beforehand his daily schedule so that he reach everywhere in time. The sports competition always being in time, so the player should be punctual, otherwise they are not allowed to participate. This develop in them a virtue of punctuality. Discursive. A good leader should have a ability to taking instant discussion on the basis of valuable knowledge. He therefore depend on the experience and knowledge for this. Players have to frequently change their strategies during the play time to time. They sometimes have to take decisions which make them discussive. Broad-minded and forgiving. A good leader should always be proper to learn something new. He should have to intellectual to involve his panel. His change players are always ready to improve their level of performance. They are also ready to learn new techniques. Discipline and honest. A good leader should have always be a role model for others. He should never give a wrong discussion. He should also not to take the side of a wrong person. Courageous and confident. A good leader should have the confidence in his abilities. He should have to courage to face the truth. He should also be ready to accept and improve his shortcomings. A player lacking in self-confidence cannot perform his best. Thus, a player always try to become courageous and confident. Unbeside, a good leader should be unbeside. He should not a partner to anybody. A good player is also unbeside. He he prizes only the good game. Good orator. Words are a great importance for men. A good leader should be good orator as well. He can create a new sentiment, a masses through his words. The words of Parasi act is stimulant for a player, thus all players praise each other and raise the confidence of each other. Sense of humor. A good leader should not have coarse behavior. He should always try to cheer up his champions. He should not also leave courage in those times. A leader keep a moral of his fellow players high, stay happy even during difficult time. Determination. A good leader should have great determination so that he can face over all the hindrances that come in his way. Good moral character. A good leader should be commendable and exemplary. A good leader should be trustworthy so that people can follow him. He should live his life with honesty and integrity. He should live of life such that nobody can question his character. Enthusiastic. A good leader should always be enthusiastic about the cause of the people. He must have to capability to see what is good or bad for the people in the long run. He should approach a problem in a holistic manner and should never believe himself different from the pupils and subject. Ideals and followers. A good leader should be operative and committed to excellence. He should always maintain high standard and act as a idol and the followers. His personal, the public life both should be remarkable and stain free. Thank you.